Hello, it's been a while and I got some new stuff to install. I bought some fans. I finally got some fans for my PC and we gotta mount them today. And I also got a new monitor, so we're gonna install all that today. Okay, so I got a new monitor mount for my two monitors, and I also got a new, where's the thing? I also got a new cable organizer that's metallic and it's lighter than the other one that I built with wood, spare wood that I have. So we're gonna mount this one so we can do some better cable organizing below the desk. And I also got a new power strip with more outlets because I didn't have enough in the previous one. So now we're gonna have a few spare outlets. So let's start by the cable organization. I don't mind doing this from below the desk, but it's sort of tiring to the arms. Now we're gonna get it done. I have my trusty drill. I have these cable holders that are they're just taped to the table, so I'm gonna just take them off because I'm not gonna need them anymore, I think. But I can just tape them back. Looks nice. I'm gonna just put this here. And this. And I got... So first of all, we got something loose inside of this thing, which I'm not sure is a good sign. But I'm gonna first test that it works. Light turns on. Does my desk make any sound? Okay. No, it doesn't. But it turns on. Yeah. So now we're gonna have to go through the trouble of sticking this on. I don't think it's gonna be that hard. I'm gonna use some zip ties. One nice thing is that I don't need to use zip ties. I can use the wire thingy that came with the cable and just twist it in place. That's very nice. Guys, this is gonna be a whole arm workout. Now this thing is my job's laptop charger. And I don't ever take it off from here, so I'm just gonna tie it up as well. And I'm gonna like secure it to the thing with zip ties. And I don't think my zip ties are large enough for this. I could do it sort of like this. Nice. And this is my monitor. So we gotta go through the... So now we gotta go through the installing the monitors parts, because I need to know where they're gonna be before I attach the cables so they don't end up too short or too long. So I got this monitor support, which feels quite heavy. I hope the desk can take it, but that's what we're gonna be mounting now. It says there's a USB cable, but I can't find it, so we're gonna pretend like that doesn't exist. Let's unpack my new monitor. One thing that I haven't thought about is that I don't want this monitor to be my main monitor. I want, like, I think I want it to be here, but we gotta actually think about it. I want my main monitor to be on this side of the sport, and my main monitor is gonna be my new monitor. So we're gonna have to switch places from this to that. Now let's unbox my new monitor. Finally. No, it's way lighter than my other one because the power supply is external. So it's like really light. Got some of these. I feel like both my monitors are way too light for the support, but like I've adjusted the pressure and still it's like really hard to make them stay in place. But I'm gonna like increase it a bit more for both of them. Let's see. Now for the cables, it's gonna be a hard part because lots of cables. Now we're gonna watch the disaster that is gonna be me installing the fans on the PC. I bought a 3-pack, and of course I'm not gonna use all 3 in this part because they don't fit. I love these. I love these little baggies. I think they are so cute. I wanted to show you the after of the cable organizer. So this is it with all of my cables. I think it looks pretty good. This cable is going to my boyfriend's desk, and we have to have this cable going to the power outlet over there. But other than that, it's pretty clean. Let me show you the back of it. This is the back. Really good. I really like this holder thing. I'm gonna put the link to it in the description, and it comes in obviously different sizes. And this is the support for monitors. It's holding pretty well, but it does shake a lot. Like, I mean, the desk shakes a lot, so the monitors do shake as well. So that's something that I'm not really happy with, but I just gotta get used to not putting my weight on the desk. And I also did some cable organizing in my PC. These are the fans, the new fans. I turned the lights off because I don't like having them on. And this one is off because I don't have the cable for it yet. I'm waiting for it to arrive in the mail. But if I can show you, if I find it, a picture of how the cables were before in here, I think it looks way better. So yeah, that's it for now. One other thing is that I'm experimenting with cameras again. So each vlog we have a different camera being used, but this time it's the front camera of my phone, and that's why the ISO was so high in the clips before, because I was filming in the dark. But I like the microphone way more with this camera. With my phone, it seems like it works a lot better, so I think I'm gonna keep doing that. And if the lighting is good, it looks like the quality is good. So I just gotta keep that in mind. And yeah. I just realized I didn't film an outro for the vlog, so here I am to tell you thanks for watching. This is gonna be it for today, and see you in the next one.